I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it.
Hello everybody, welcome to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox 803 ink cartridge from HP. It's a combo pack of Tri-colour and black cartridge. I bought this from Amazon and the price is around 1600 rupees, and there is a link in the description if you want to check this out. Inside the package we get two cartridge. One is Tri-colour cartridge and the second one is the black cartridge. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get video notification from me. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.